Febs. Today I'm back with another new video and I'm doing a haul video, and I got some products from Primark, or Primark as people would say it. I got some products from Primark and it is a Korean inspired range, so I got super excited and decided to purchase the products, and it is super cute. Some of them are not made in Korea, but some of them are made in Korea, so that's exciting for me. I think Primark got this idea from one of the BTS fans on Twitter, and they were saying they should do a BTS inspired makeup products. Primark company decided to hear them out and decided to do a K-pop, not BTS but K-pop inspired products, and girl, I was shook. I was so excited to buy all the products. Here we go. Let's start with the one that I already opened. Some of these I already bought long time ago, and some of them I bought just recently. So the first product that I got is this sponge and this egg container, and it is only for €4. It is so cute. I have already used this case before. I needed a container for my sponge. Where is my sponge? So the idea of this is to open it this way. Oh, there's my sponge. I was looking for a sponge and it's only here. So there's my sponge, my dirty, disgusting sponge. The idea of it is to have your sponge in this container just to protect it from all the dirt and keep the shape of your sponge. And I really love this idea. I love it so much. Like, I've been using this so much since I bought it, but I don't really like the sponge. I think the sponge is pretty soft, but I wouldn't use it. I love my Real Technique sponge, which is this one, which is so much softer. That's why I love it. I didn't even purchase all of the products that they have in this range because I don't need it. And they had makeup palettes. I didn't bother buying it. I bought a bunch of lip and cheek tints. I have about like all of these. These are all either lip or cheek tints or both. So let's start with the Jelly Bell Jelly Lipstick. I actually have tried this. That's the shade right there. But when you put it on your lips, it looks super natural. It doesn't look like you have lipstick on. It feels like it's a cheap product. It smells like a cheap lip product, but it's so good when you're trying to pretend as if you don't have any lipstick on. Use this. It looks like a popsicle because it's like that, but you twist it this way. Cute. And then I got one of these cheek tint, and it's in bubblegum shade. The lid came off when I tried to put it on my cheek. That's supposed to have a sponge in it, and I can't find it anywhere. That was really disappointing. But the thing is, I love how pink it is. It's a cute pink. Only problem is the sponge came off, but who cares? I don't really need the sponge because I prefer using my fingers when I'm using cheek tint. So next product that I got is the Cloud Creamy Blush in the shade of Sunset. This one is more on the coral side. This is really creamy. That's the color. I also really like the color. This is something I would probably use most of the time. This one is the one that really got me super excited because this is what most Korean YouTubers use. You'll see now because it has a mirror right here, and there's a sponge that you'll probably see a lot of beauty gurus use in Korea, and all you have to do is dip this sponge onto the product like so and start applying it on your face. Actually, I'm gonna try it now and see how good it is. Oh man, that is so nice. It's subtle orange. Do that Nadine Lustre Drunk Blush. So this is probably something that I'm going to be using a lot. Love this one. This is in the shade of Coral Dreams. And then I got one of these K-pop Pillow Talk Matte Lip Cushion. I have tried this before, by the way, and when I'm trying to squeeze the product, I feel like it's so freaking difficult to squeeze out some of the products. So look at that. See, it's not, I don't know. I think oh my goodness. I think I broke the sponge. But that's the color. This retails for €3, I guess. I like the smell. Quite sweet, like strawberries. Super creamy. It has vitamin E, which is great. We could use more vitamin on our skin. And then they have a highlighter. Kpop Afterglow Liquid Highlighter. Look how cute it is. Oh wow. Look at that. It has a hint of pink in it. Oh, it smells like nail polish. This one I've used a couple of times already because I am running out of primer. Decided to use this. This is the Kpop Jelly Prime Time. It's a jelly primer. It has vitamin B3 with hyaluronic acid. I've tried this before and I'm not completely a fan of this product because it smells like glue mixed with perfume. It smells like plasticky glue I don't know, it doesn't smell bad, but I'm not a fan of the smell. The consistency of it as well is very thick. It just feels like glue, and when you apply it on your face, it's super sticky. According to the instruction of this jelly primer, you have to pat it on your skin, but I personally wouldn't even pat it on my skin because it's so sticky and thick. It doesn't work that well, so I decided to just like massage it all over my face, and I feel like that works better on my skin. For oiliness, I don't seem to have any problem with the oiliness. I just think that halfway through the day it starts to gather up and it doesn't look really nice. I wouldn't say that this is my favorite. These are all the masks that I got. They are all made from Korea. Let me show you that they are definitely made in South Korea. It says here, I don't know if you can see that, it says made in South Korea. So I decided to buy a couple of them. Got this Bath and Beauty. These are for your body. This is a body wash, body scrub, and a moisturizer. That is really cute. I love the packaging. They are so kawaii. I think kawaii is Japanese. Kyopta, that's the Korean word for cute. So that's kyopta. And then I got bubble mask sheet, lip scrub, and a mask. Exfoliating lip scrub, and this one is a mask. So my lips is gonna be pampered soon. Got another lip mask for my lips. So nice. And then I got one of these blemish blasters to fight blemishes. Clears the skin. It has salicylic acid. I have an eye patch here for your dark circles. There's 6 cooling eye pads. I didn't think that I was gonna have 6 cooling eye pads. This is the same as well. This one is a cucumber, and this one is, I don't even know what it is. Is it watermelon or just flowers? Yeah, so this is for brightening your eyes, and this one is for calming your eyes. So nice. Those are the stuff that I got from the Primark Kpop range. I like most of them. The masks are always going to be my favorite. One that I don't like is probably this one because it smells like glue. That is my haul. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press that bell button. And thank you so much, and